Hi. Welcome to this video. Today we'll explore the ranking page and how it works, which is simple and quick. Let's start by explaining the differences between private and dojo. The private ranking is like a personal medal wallet. You can independently add your own results and medals. The dojo ranking, on the other hand, collects the medals and results that your sensei enters directly through their dashboard. I'll show you right away how to add a result using the plus button. All you need to do is fill in the name of the competition, the position achieved, and the date of the event. Once done, after confirming, the result will appear directly on the card. I'm adding another example card to show you the order in which they are displayed. Here are our results. All of them are visible on this page. By clicking on the three dots in the top right corner, you'll have the option to view details, edit, delete. Lastly, let's see how to filter the results. Just click on the medal you want to view. To remove the filter, simply click it again. Or you can use the search input at the top right. Alright, that's everything you need to know about the ranking page. Wishing you a great training session.